Unlock the power of real customers to skyrocket your Facebook ad conversions with this step-by-step guide to crafting killer UGC creatives. Step 1. Identify your core message and target audience. What problem does your product or service solve for them? What are their pain points and aspirations? This understanding is the bedrock of relatable UGC. Step 2. Source your UGC. This can come from customer reviews, social media mentions, unboxing videos, or even directly inviting your community to share their experiences. Look for authentic voices and genuine enthusiasm. Step 3. Curate and select the best content. Prioritize visuals that are clear, well-lit, and showcase your product or service in a natural, everyday setting. Authenticity trumps perfection here. Step 4. Add value with minimal edits. Think short, punchy text overlays highlighting key benefits, or a clear call to action like shop now or learn more. Keep video clips under 15 seconds for maximum engagement. Step 5. Tailor to the Facebook platform. Use vertical aspect ratios for stories and reels, and consider square or landscape formats for the main feed. Always ensure your ad copy complements the visual storytelling. Step 6. Test, analyze, and optimize. Run different UGC creatives to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor engagement metrics like click-through rates and conversions to refine your strategy for even better results. By embracing the power of genuine customer stories, you'll create Facebook ads that not only grab attention, but also build trust and drive meaningful conversions. Start crafting your UGC magic today.